Hi friends! Welcome back to Reading with Mercy. Today, we are going to read all about my friends, Bluey and Bingo. They are playing doctor's office, with Bingo as the doctor and Bluey as the receptionist. Do you enjoy playing too?
Yes!
I bet you do. I can't wait for you to hear this story. So get comfortable, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Bluey!
Bluey, the receptionist, is working at the doctor's office. Ring, ring. This is the doctor's office. Bluey comes up with the pretend name, Edna Everidge. Hello, it's Edna speaking. How are you? Honey arrives at reception. Hello, I need to see the doctor now, says Honey. But Edna is still on the phone. Yes. Okay, sure. Okay, we'll see you in 15 months. Bye! Sorry about that. How can I help? I need to see the doctor, replies Honey. Oh, yes, says Edna. I'm sure we can squeeze you in tightly. Now, what's wrong with you today? Nothing. I'm fine. Honey, you have to make up something wrong with you, Bluey whispers. What do you think should be wrong with me? It's up to you, says Edna. What if? I bumped my knee, she asks. Okay, here's a clipboard, Edna says. Please take a seat. The doctor won't be long. Honey walks over to a seat in the waiting room. Honey, you have to hobble when you walk. Oh, yes. Next patient, please. That's me. What seems to be the matter, the doctor asks. She's bumped her knee, doctor, says Edna. Oh, you sure that's it? Bingo was hoping it was something more exciting. Yeah, that's it, replies Honey. But Lucky runs in with an emergency. Arg, I need to see the doctor. Oh my, this is a real pickle, says the doctor. Don't worry, we'll fix that in a jiffy. Edna, hold my appointments. Oh, I'm sorry, dear, Edna says to Honey. Please take a seat. I'm sure the doctor won't be long. This is gonna take ages. Honey waits patiently while the doctor deals with the wily crocodile. Would you like a cup of tea while you wait? Yes, thanks. Bluey tries to help Honey think of a bigger pickle. Are you sure you haven't been attacked by a giraffe or something? She asks. 'Cause that would be a real pickle. No. Out comes Lucky, all better. Just keep the bandages on for 11 years. Okay, who's next? Asks the doctor. That's me, says Honey. Oh yes, sore knee. Right this way. Now Snickers runs in with an emergency. I cuddled a cactus, he yells, and then a crocodile fell out of the sky and bit me on the bottom. My stars, says Edna. This is a real pickle. Don't worry, we'll have you fixed in a jiffy, says the doctor. Edna, hold my appointments. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, but what about my knee? Asks Honey sadly. She sits down and waits patiently again. Edna brings her another cup of tea. I'm sorry about the wait. Am I definitely the next patient? Honey asks. You are definitely the next patient. Now Indy and Coco arrive with an emergency. We need to see the doctor, screams Indy. Oh my! I was hanging out washing and my arms fell off, says Indy. And I got bitten by 7 scorpions, adds Coco. This looks like a real pickle, says Honey. It is. I'm never going to see the doctor, she says. Don't worry, Honey. I promise you'll be the next patient, says Edna. Really? Yes, definitely. Someone else rushes in. I need a doctor, Rusty screams. Yeah, what's wrong, Rusty? asks Edna. I accidentally ate a hippopotamus. And now when I burp out baby hippopotamuses. Ah, hippos everywhere. Quick, Indy, grab it. But I've got no arms. Oh my goodness, the doctor says. This is a real pickle. Rusty, you'd best come in here right away. Edna, hold my appointments. Oh, I knew it, says Honey. Everyone's problem is a real pickle, except mine. Don't be sad, says Bluey. Oh, there's another one. Burp. They're everywhere. Honey isn't the best at thinking up pickles. She starts swaying her legs. Bluey sways along too. He. You always make me laugh, says Bluey. Yeah, I always make you laugh, replies Honey. Do it again, says Bluey. Do something funny. Honey has an idea. Okay, watch this. Now for most dogs, she says, the tail wags and the body stays still, but not me. That's so funny. Rusty and the doctor come back to the waiting room. Thanks, doctor, Rusty says. I won't eat any more hippopotamuses. Then the doctor sees Honey. Oh, my stars! Your tail and your body are all mixed up. Her body's wagging, but her tail is still... This is a real pickle, says the doctor. Really? Asks Honey. A pickle? This is the biggest pickle I've ever seen. Come with me right away. Finally, it's Honey's turn to see the doctor. Don't worry. We'll have you fixed up in a jiffy, says the doctor. Edna, you best hold all of my appointments. Will the doctor be much longer? Oh, just be patient. The end. Hi, friends. I really hope you enjoyed reading all about my friend Bluey. Thank you for reading with me. Goodbye.